So now children, we will do some questions on multiplication of time. Okay. So let us take an example here. 7 hours 25 minutes into 2. This is a simple question. We know what? We will 25 into 2 is 50. So we got here what? 50 minutes. And then after completing the minutes part, we will do the hours part. So 2 into 7 is how much? 14. So this was simple question. 14 hours 50 minutes. Now here the multiplier was 2. Now I will just change the multiplier. Okay, I'll take a bigger number now. 7 hours 25 minutes is remaining the same. I'll change the multiplier as 8. Now let's see what we are going to get. So children, what is 25 into 8? 25 8s are 200. So 200 minutes we have got here. And in the hours side we have got how much? It is 56 hours. Yes or no children? We have got 56 hours and 200 minutes. Now what we have to do? This 200 minute we have to convert into hours. Let us see, can we convert? Okay, earlier when I was telling about addition of time, in that case what I was doing, I was subtracting 60. Now you see, if I will subtract 200 minus 60, what will I get? I will get 140. So 140 is a number which again is bigger than 60. So we have to do, again you have to subtract 60. So this is a repeated subtraction. So instead of doing repeated subtraction, we can do the division, because we all know that division is repeated subtraction. So we can divide 200 by 60. Let us see what we will get. After dividing 200 with 60, what am I getting? 63 is a 180. And I got the remainder as 20 here. So children, whatever you have got in the quotient place, that has got converted. Means that is the part which you will say that is in hours. Okay. And whatever you have got as remainder here, that will remain in the minutes. That will remain in the minutes part. Is it clear? So instead of writing 200 minute here, what I will do? I will write here what? I will write here 20 minutes, and this hours part, that is 3 hours that I got, that will be added to this hours side. So it will change to what? 59 hours. See, first we are doing, normally we are multiplying, we have started multiplying the minute first. So 25 into 8 we got 200 minute here. Then we have multiplied the hours part with the same multiplier 8. 8 sevens are 56 hours we got. Now what we have done? We have converted this minute into hours and minute. So how we have converted? We have divided 200 by 60. Why it is 60? Because we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So we have divided 200 by 60. We got the quotient 3 and the remainder 20. The quotient 3 is going to add with the hour side, and the remainder 20 will remain in the minute as such. So answer is 59 hours 20 minutes. Now let us do one question from the exercise of your book. We have one question in 3 bit F. In question number 3 bit F we have that is eight hours 15 minutes 24 seconds, and we have to multiply it with 7. Here we have 3 units. together, hours, minutes and seconds. So first we will multiply 7 with 24 to get the second part answer. Then 7 will be multiplied with 15 to get the minute part answer. And then 7 will be multiplied with 8 to get the hour part answer. So what is 24 into 7? 7 4s are 28, carry 2, 7 2s are 14 plus 2 16. So 168 seconds we have got. Now we will multiply 7 with 15. What we got? 15 7s are 105 children. So 105 minutes. 7 8s are how much? It is 56. 56 hours you have got. Now you see 168 is a bigger number. So in order to convert it, means 168 seconds to minutes and seconds, we do the division. Okay, we will divide. So what we will do? 168 we will divide it by 60. What are we going to get? 60 2s are 120 and after subtraction we got it as 48. So this 48 will remain in the second place like this. Okay. And this 2 is carried to the minutes place. This 2 is carried to the minutes place. So here I have added 2. What I got here? 107 minute. Now 107 minute again you can convert it into hours and minute. So again you can divide 107 by 60. If we divide 107 by 60, what we get? 60 ones are 60. After subtraction it is 47 you got. So 1 which you have got as quotient, that will be carried to the hours place. So plus 1 in the hours place, and 107 has changed to what? 107 has changed to what? 47 minute. Okay, and 56 plus 1, how much you will get? It is 57 hours. So the final answer that I got here is 57 hours, 47 minutes, 48 seconds. Let me write it. So I got the final answer as 57 hours, 47 minutes and 48 seconds. This is the final answer that I have got after multiplication of this. Now I have one question left of the revision, that is subtraction. Okay, let me do it. The question is from Let's Recall Children. I am doing the question is subtract 7 hours 25 minutes from 11 hours 40 minutes. So always I have said that the from part means it will come first, means it will be the minuend, and you are subtracting from the minuend, that is 7 hours 25 minutes, it will be considered as the subtrahend. Never forget this. So we will do the subtraction now. 11 hours 40 minutes minus 7 hours 25 minutes. This is how we are supposed to write. And now do the subtraction. 40 minus 25 is how much? 10 minus 5 is 5. 1 gone. So 3 minus 2 it is 1. So 15 minutes you have got here. And 11 minus 7 is what? It is 4 hours. So simple question it is. 11 hours 40 minutes minus 7 hours 25 minutes is equal to 4 hours 15 minutes. So children, remaining questions, some questions I am giving in form of notes also. You check the notes as well as videos, and whatever doubt you have, we will do it in our online classes. But children, please see the videos. It's very important. If you don't see the video, then no use, because entire concept, everything in detail, it is not possible to write. Many things we are telling verbally, so that you have to understand. So please see the videos. Okay, thank you very much.